Hello, I am Jyoti Sharma and you're watching Agribusiness News. Let's start with the latest updates. Mahindra and Mahindra's farm equipment sector, part of the Mahindra Group and the world's largest manufacturer of tractors by volume, launched a new age advanced tractor range called the Yuvo Tech Plus. The tractor will be available in three models: Yuvo Tech Plus 275, Yuvo Tech Plus 405 and Yuvo Tech Plus 415. Speaking about the launch, Hemant Sikka, President Farm Equipment Sector, Mahindra and Mahindra Limited said, "At Mahindra, our brand purpose is to transform farming, enrich lives. The new advanced M-Zip engine technology, transmission and hydraulics technology of Yuvo Tech Plus makes its most advanced tractor in its segment." Silk tech startup Resha Mandi has raised $30 million as part of its Series A funding round in an equity and debt mix led by global alternative investment manager Creation Investments. Mayank Tiwari, CEO of Resha Mandi, said that this round of funding will allow us to expand into newer territories and operationalize our research and development R&D work while helping further stakeholders reap the benefits of our innovators and efficiencies. John Trask, CEO of Dimitra, recently created an enterprise whose mission is to place technology in the hands of millions of small farmers around the world. Because by doing so, Dimitra aims to enhance productivity and therefore the lives of farmers and improve food safety, enable greater food security globally. The Mitra mission is driven by a desire to equip the farmers of developing nation with the world-class tools already enjoyed by the richest. Best Agro Life Limited, a leading agrochemical company headquartered in Delhi and one of India's largest manufacturers of agro inputs, has been ranked 15th among the top 20 agrochemical companies in India. Elaborating upon this recognition, Mr. Vimal Allahabadi, Managing Director, Best Agro Life Limited, said that in FY 2020, India's market was valued at Rs 40,000 crore, with domestic consumption being Rs 20,000 crore. It feels great to be recognized as a prominent player in the market of this potential. India Agriculture Advancement Group IAAG International, funded by the stalwarts of agriculture sector from India and abroad, writes to the Prime Minister Narendra Modi expressing serious concern on the inordinate delay in the approval of draft guidelines for safety assessment of genomic gene-edited plants for Genetic Engineering Appraisal Committee GEAC, the regulatory board under the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change. The Spice Board has launched a quality improvement training program for farmers to help them avoid harmful chemicals in cultivation of crops like cardamom with a view to preventing export rejection. Spices Board also said that there had been some instances of rejection in the past, but the board authorities were following up the issues involved regularly to help farmers overcome the problem. Growers and agronomists across northern Australia have the chance to inspect large-scale trial crops of black sesame, fennel and kalonji as the Cooperative Research Centre for Developing Northern Australia CRCNA and CQ Universities is spicing up Northern Australia research project takes another step towards commercial viability. Fasal announces that their flagship device Fasal Kranti has won iMark 2021 award by Indian Design Mark. Here is to removing the guesswork from farming for more and more farmers across the globe. Krishi Jagran and Agriculture World founder and editor-in-chief MC Dominic keeps taking various initiatives for the farmers. Now he has taken a new initiative for the Agri students. A webinar has been organized on the topic Agri Student Vision for Modern Agriculture, which will be live on Krishi Jagran's Facebook page tomorrow at 11 am. For more Agri updates, keep watching Krishi Jagran. Thank you.